Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick recipe here on what's called fritter. And fritters are almost like a pancake, except they're a batter incorporated with all sorts of different things that you like. And this here is about a corn fritter, and this recipe also has with it a yogurt dip. That's pretty cool. Okay, this is generated by our friend Chef Ramsay. Okay, and home cooking. And this is a recipe that I've done that was delicious, so I trust it. And they have it under a corn fritter, but I've used this fritter batter for different things. So instead of corn, you can use any sort of vegetable. You can add cheeses to this. You can add different meats. You can add shrimp. So, but most important is that you have the base recipe, and the base recipe is the flour. And they have 3/4 cup, half teaspoon of baking powder, salt and black pepper, 1 egg beaten, half cup of whole, I'm sorry, yeah, 1/4 cup of whole milk, some olive oil, a couple of scallions, some red chili, or you can use crushed red pepper. You can use any sort of spice that you want, any zing, cilantro, okay, and a corn. This here is a corn fritter, so again, you can use all sorts of vegetables. And basically what you're doing is you're mixing these ingredients together. That's it. That's how simple it is. And you're doing them in some oil. Okay? Mix all the ingredients together. Okay? And let it sit. I like to let my batter sit for about 15 minutes or so. I put them in the fridge. Let things set up. But experiment playing around with different vegetables, meats, cheeses. Delicious. They have a yogurt dip, which is a cup of plain yogurt, a little bit of spice. They have red chili, juice of a half lime, lime juice. You could use lemon juice, some cilantro, and salt and cracked pepper. How simple is that for a yogurt dip? And refreshing. All right, guys. So that's a quick fritter recipe. You would saute this in a little bit of oil. You want to keep some oil in the pan, and I like to drain them on a paper towel and then serve. And there you go. There's your fritter recipe. All right? Hey, guys, enjoy. Yum.